Yes, good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon to you, and I hope you are listening my voice. Today, let me go through, that means 5 minutes, a few words from my side. The first one it is, you just each and every these are the important problems which we are going through very slowly, right? The second thing it is, each and every chapter will be repeated at the time of the opening, that after opening of your classes, right? That is college, okay? But if you use this one, you can do those problems very effectively, right? So don't misuse these classes. You just inform your friends to be regular to the classroom. And the third point, maintain good notes such that feel that you are in the classroom seriously. Okay, and the next point it is, tomorrow you are going to face an online examination. Generally, that means while we are sitting in the meeting, some students are we are that they are calling us, right, personally or in meetings also, sir, how to write the online test and all those things, right? Each and everything will be given message to you. Okay, each and everything will be clear to you. As you are facing the first online test tomorrow, don't take it much serious, right? Just observe it clearly. First of all, nobody are going to hang you enough if you got less marks. The first thing, right? The examinations are only to train you. That's all. Okay, and don't make it serious and just observe it first of all. And from the second examination, you will be. That means whatever the mistakes you are going through, you can rectify them, right? And that is the thing. And regarding mathematical examination tomorrow, we said that means actually we have given matrices and also inverse trigonometric functions, right? So in those two, sir, matrices, how could we do that matrices without objective? Very easy. A plus B, A into B. I think you know very well. Trace of the matrix, and if you know addition, subtraction of the matrix, easily you can do. Okay. Hope you are going to do the best. And sir, what to do? That means which problems should we follow for tomorrow's examination? Of course, I am going to give you the hint in matrices. Go through A plus B, A minus B, 2A plus B, 2A minus B, like trace of the matrix. What is called trace of the matrix? The sum of principal diagonal elements. That means in the first class I have taught you. That means, see, observe, I am going to repeat it. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the matrix, no? What is the principal diagonal? This is the principal diagonal. Okay. The sum of principal diagonal elements is said to be trace of that matrix. Okay. After that, you know that symmetric matrix A transpose is equal to A. Skew symmetric matrix A transpose is equal to minus A. Okay. So you just go through the definitions. That's why I asked you to write the notes effectively. The main theme of this conducting these examinations are, and some, that means what we are observing so far, even in the chart boxes or even while the students are, that means while the students are not muting their what it is voice and also video calls, what we are observing, some students are sleeping and they are seeing that mobile as a movie, but not the lesson, right? So to make each and everything serious, we are going to conduct each and every Sunday one examination. Okay, you just be serious. Okay, and to the exam also, nothing will happen if you got less marks. The exams are only to alert you, that's all, right? Of same concept, that means same exercise. And this is the classroom of our 1500 students, right? 1500 students actually. And from the next villages also we are giving. So that means some problems will be very slow. Why? Because we should take care of entire students. If anybody are feeling slow, I request them to just keep NCERT book and do the next problem. If you are effectively doing the problem which I am teaching on the board, okay, after completion of that problem, don't sit idle. You just do the next problem. Don't misuse the time, please, right? Okay. I'm going to start that one. Yes, copy this. Find the value of K. Find the value of K. Write down the question. Find the value of K if area of triangle is 4 square units and vertices are K comma 0, 4 comma 0, 0 comma 2. K comma 0, 4 comma 0, 0 comma 2. He has given you the area of triangle is 4 units, 4 square units. I am repeating. He asked you to find out this unknown value K by giving area of triangle as 4 square units. Okay. Now, how to do it, sir? First of all, given vertices are this, right? Therefore, area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into delta of, observe, K 0, 1, x1, y1, 1, okay, 4, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1. This area of triangle is equals to 4 square units given to you. Delta is equal to 4. I am repeating this one. Area of triangle 1 by 2 into delta of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1 is equal to, equate it to 4. Observe this one very clearly. Don't do. I am going to repeat it again. You just multiply these 2 with this 4, you are going to get 8. That means delta of K0, 1, 4, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1 is equals to 2 4s are 8. Am I right? Now, while you are expanding this determinant, you will have 2 values. One is positive, another one is negative. So, observe expanding that K into, I am repeating the expansion of determinant. Excluding this column and this row, you will have 0 minus 2. Okay, mod of minus 0 into excluding this row and this column, or minus 0, right? Plus 1 into excluding this row and this column, you will have 8 minus 0 is equals to 8. I am going to repeat it. Don't feel it as slow. Suppose if you can do the problem, you can continue it and do the next problem which is there. Okay. K into 0 minus 2 minus 0 into 4 minus 0 plus 1 into 8 minus 0, okay, is equals to 8, which implies, observe, this becomes minus 2K, okay, minus 0 into anything is 0, plus 8 is equals to 8. Now, if you release this modulus, you are going to get two values. What are those two? Minus 2k plus 8 is equal to 8. Minus 2k plus 8 is equals to minus 8. Mod x is equals to minus x if x is less than 0. Mod x consists of two values. One is positive, another one is negative. So this is positive, this is negative. That means 8 get cancelled. From here, k value is equals to 0. Minus 2k is equals to minus 16. K value is equals to 2 ones are 2 8s are. So k value is equal to 8. Therefore, you got two k values. K is equal to 0 or 8. Copy this one. I hope you understand this one. I am going to the chat box. If there is any problem, you can. There may be no class for tomorrow. Only exam will be there. Of course, we are going to send you the timing. Okay, nothing to worry. Amma board, somebody has written here. Amma board is very clear in our camp. You just adjust your camera, Amma. Mod will not be there for 8. Mod x will have two values. One is positive and another one is negative. I am going to repeat it. Very good question. Sir, modulus is not there for 8 means, see here, this consists of modulus. Observe. Mod A is equal to 8. Okay. See, minus A is equal to 8 means A is equal to minus 8. Okay. Or A is equals to 8. And this happens. Understood? I think it is clear. Yes, copy this one, please. And write down the next problem. Find the value of k. Next problem, same model. Next problem of same model. Okay, I will do one thing. I will write 2 or 3 problems. The students who feel this one is slow, you can do the next problem. Let us do that one. Write down. Find the value of k if the area of triangle is. Find the value of k if the area of triangle is 4 square units. Same. 4 square units whose vertices are minus 2 comma 0, 0 comma 4, 0 comma k. Minus 2 comma 0, 0 comma 4, 0 comma k. I hope you can do this one. The students who knows this can start this problem, and I am going to write another problem here, which is similar. After completion, you can write this problem. After completion of this problem, if anybody feels that is slow, you can copy this and write, okay, and start doing, okay. Now, coming to this problem, the students who have not understood the previous can see this one. Okay, I will give you 1 minute time to do. You start doing, okay. I will give you the hint. Start doing. Do with your own effort. Don't depend upon anything else. Do this one. After that also I will do on the board. Don't worry. I am requesting each and everybody, please don't misuse the chat box. Be diplomat. Feel that you are in classroom. This is my humble request to each and every student. Please behave as a student and don't misuse the chat box. Chat box is only for interaction, that's all. We should check whether you have got that one or not. That's why please don't misuse it. Start doing the problem. Yes, very good. Some students are giving answers like 0 and 8. Let me see. Now another question, one student have raised another question. Sir, if we get a negative value for area of triangle, can we neglect the negative sign? Obviously, but here that means the area has been given to you as 4 square units. Okay, you won't get k value. You can get k value negative. Why? Because k is a coordinate, no? K value is y coordinate. So you can get a negative value of k. That means you can get either positive or negative. K value is unknown value, na? So observe that one k value. What is k there? 0 comma k. 0 is first coordinate, k is second coordinate. You can observe the first vertex -2 comma 0. Na? So in that one minus has been given. It may be k may be positive or negative. You don't know. That's why we are taking that one as positive one value, negative one value. I think it has been cleared. I hope your doubt is clear. Yeah, I'm observing. Explain once again, sir. Obviously, I'm going to do on the board. Observe this one clearly. Okay, shall I start? Let me see. Some students got 4 or -4, and some students got 0 or 8. Nothing issue. Observe here. First of all, observe 2 into 4, 8. Okay, that of -2, 0, 1, 0, 4, 1, 0, k, 1 is equals to 2, 4, 8. Am I right? Now, use the determinant by using column operations. Easily you can do. Otherwise, nothing issue. You can do as usual. -2 into mod of 1. -2 into this column, this row. Okay. 4 minus k. I think you understood this. -0 into this column, this row over 0 minus 0. Obviously 0. Plus 1 into this column, this row over. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Is equals to 8. Okay. Now you are going to get mod of -8. Okay. Minus into minus plus 2k. This is 0. This is 0. Is equals to 8. At the time when you release this modulus, that means -8 plus 2k is equal to 8. -8 plus 2k is equals to -8. One is positive, another one is negative. Now you are going to get 2k is equals to 16, k value is equals to 8. Now 2k is equals to 0, k value is 0 by 2. So you should get k as 0 or 8. I hope you understood this problem now. I have repeated that one same model. The student who asked me to repeat it again, I think it is clear now. Okay, I'm getting the answers for the next question also. Very good response. Very good response. I am ready to teach you more than 10 times, but don't misuse it. I request you humbly, please. Yes, shall I start the next question? Observe. If you do one problem perfectly without taking any help, you can do the best. Okay, I'm going to start the next question. Delta is equals to 1 by 2 into delta 2 minus 6. Okay, 1. Okay, 5, 4, 1. K 4, 1 is equals to 35 has been given as area. Okay, now observe, which implies 2 into 35 is equals to 70. Now, delta of 2 into excluding this column and this row, you will have 4 minus 4 minus of minus 6. It is plus 6. I am repeating. Minus of, already minus is here. So minus 6, it is plus 6. Exclude this column and this row, you are going to get 5 minus k plus 1 into exclude this row and this column, you are going to get 20 minus 4k is equals to 17. 2 into 35, 70. I am going to repeat it again. If this step has been cleared, entire problem you are going to get. See, 2 into exclude this column and this row, 4 minus 4, 0. Minus of minus. So it is 6 into exclude this column and this row, you are going to get 5. Okay, minus k plus 1 into exclude this column and this row, 20 minus 4k is equals to 70. Now, this is mod of, this is 0. Okay, 30 minus 6k, okay, plus 20 minus 4k is equals to 70. Am I right? Which implies this is 50 minus 10k is equals to 70. Now, release this model, you are going to get 50 minus 10k is equals to 70. 50 minus 10k is equal to minus 70. I think you can get the values of k value. Okay, take down. Copy this one. K value should be 1 is minus 2 and K value is equals to 12. K is equal to 12 and another minus 2. And one student got both K value 12. No, you won't get both 12. One is minus 2, another one is 12. Yeah, very good. Very good response. Very good. Yes. Yes, very good. Yes, yes, yes. And some students are asking me, sir, what about JEE and all this? Don't observe one thing. Now this is PU. Don't be very hurry. Okay. Don't be very hurry to crack that JEE main and all those things. We are here to do each and everything. Don't be very hurry. Just do whatever we are giving you. That's all. everything will be cleared. Okay. PU exam cannot be conducted. Why? Because we don't know how many students will write the exam seriously. Objective, we can, if we can observe that objective, how many marks you got. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, don't chat all those things, please. Just write down the answer. Okay, whether you have understood or not. Don't deviate the problem. Don't deviate the problem. Don't misuse the chart. I want only the response of the problem. Right? I think you understand. Okay? Yes, write down the next concept. Next concept. Equation of line. Write down the side heading. Equation of line joining 2 points. First of all, write down the side heading. Equation of line. Side heading. Underline it. Underline it. Yes. Observe. Equation of, I am going to repeat it. I think you have underlined that one. Equation of line, observe. Equation of line joining x1, y1, x2, y2 points. In your straight lines, you got this concept, right? In your first PUC, equation of line joining 2 points. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Am I right? But here, you should use the formula. That means by using what it is, determinants, you should do. Okay? So, write down the synopsis. Equation of line joining 2 points using determinant. Write down. Is given by det of x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x y1 is equals to 0. Copy this one. The equation of line joining 2 points. The equation of line joining 2 points x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x y1 is equals to 0. I am repeating. The equation of line joining x1 y1 x2 y2 using determinant is given by det of x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x y1 is equals to 0. Now, write down the problems concerned to this one. Write down the problems concerned to this one. Find the equation of line. I am going to give you 2 problems. Okay. The student who feels very easy can do the next problem. Find the equation of line joining the points. Joining the points. First problem. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 6. Second problem. I have written on the board, observe. Let me start the first problem. Observe it. The solution. Given points x1, y1 is equal to 1, 2, x2, y2 is equal to 3, 6. You consider the given points as 1, 2, 3, 6. Now, required equation is, write down these 2 in this one, in this formula, you are going to get the answer. Is 1, 2, 1. See, in the place of x1, y1, I wrote 1, 2, 1, x2, y2, 3, 6, 1. Okay. And x, y as it is. Why? Because line means you should get in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Am I right? A line is nothing but ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 form. Okay. Now, x, y, 1 is equals to 0. Now, just open the determinant, expand the determinant. 1 into, excluding this column and this row, you are going to get 6 minus y. Okay. Minus 2 into, excluding this column and this row, you are going to get 3 minus x. Okay. Plus 1 into, excluding this column and this row, you are going to get 3y minus 6x is equals to 0. I am going to repeat it again. Observe this one closely. 1 into, exclude this column and this row, you are going to get 6 minus y minus 2 into, exclude this column and this row, 3 minus x plus 1 into, exclude this column and this row, you are going to get 3y minus 6x is equal to 0. Now, if you simplify that one, you are going to get the answer. In the form of, you are going to get the answer in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Now observe. First one, 6 minus y. Okay. Minus 6. Minus into minus plus 2x plus 3y minus 6x is equals to 0, which implies, observe, negative 6 minus 6 plus 6 get cancelled. Here 2x minus 6x minus 4x. Okay. 3y minus y plus 2y. Okay. Minus 6 plus 6 get cancelled and you are going to get 0. I am repeating this step. I think you can understand this. Okay. Now, you take minus common. 4x or minus 2 common. You are going to get 2x minus y is equals to 0 is the required equation. I hope you understood this. Copy this one. Two x minus y is equals to 0. And the students who have copied already, you just start the second problem. Start the second problem. And one thing I want to actually, what is a, okay, can you hold on 1 minute, please? 1 minute. I am going to repeat the concept of this one. Observe. What is the concept of this? Sir, why you should by using determinant, see how you got this formula. Okay. You should find out the equation of line passing through 2 points now. That means these 2 points. What does it mean? These 2 points should lie on one line and the point P x comma y. Observe, point P and x1 y1 and x2 y2 should lie on only one line. Yesterday we have done 3 points are said to be collinear if they lie on a line. So collinear means of course you can do, you just write down this one carefully. You just write down 1 by 2 into, that will be better than this. Why? Because area of triangle collinear na, APB are said to be collinear. If APB are said to be collinear, 1 by that one area should be equals to 0. 1 by 2, what is the area? 1 by 2 into this is equals to 0. Yesterday, okay, see here, here also 1 by 2 you can write. Of course, there is no effect. Why? Because 0 into 2 becomes obviously 0. Okay, 0 into 2 becomes obviously 0. So nothing to worry. This is the concept. I am repeating the concept. 3 points are said to be collinear. Okay, 3 points are said to be collinear if they lie on one line. So 1 by 2 into, that means the area should be equals to 0. This is area of triangle formula. It is equals to 0. Therefore, 1 by 2 into is equal to 0 means 2 into 0 value is obviously 0. So automatically you are going to do the CP. I think you understood this. You at the time you write down this formula as 1 by 2 into this is equal to 0. Okay, for PCMC students, for all, morning 8 to 11 will be your examination time. Okay, online. I hope you understood and you are listening my voice. I am repeating. Tomorrow you will have examination and morning 8 o'clock to 11 o'clock. Okay. You asked me timing, na? You start doing the next problem. Start doing the next. There you will have link for both PCMC and PCMB. Okay. So whatever you want, you can write. Either you can write JEE main exam or NEET exam. That is your convenience. I think it is clear now. Yes. Shall I start that problem? 3193. Okay. Write down given points. Given points 3193. So required, shall I write directly? Required equation is 1 by 2 into delta of 311,931 xy1 is equals to 0. If this 2 has been multiplied by 0, obviously right hand side is 0. Okay, which implies 3 into, excluding this column and this row, 3 minus y minus 1 into, exclude this column and this row, 9 minus x plus 1 into, exclude this row and this column, 9y minus 3x is equals to 0. I am going to repeat it again. Please check and confirm. 3 into, exclude this column and this row, 3 minus y minus 1 into, exclude this column and this row, 9 minus x plus 1 into, exclude this column and row, 9y minus 3x. I hope you can finish this problem now. Tomorrow, the next exercise will be there. Okay. Okay. And next exercise is very, very important for you. Okay. That is based on 5 marks questions. So I request you the remaining, that you just intimate your friends also to be regular to the classroom. Each and every day I am saying this one. Okay. So please inform your friends to be in the classroom tomorrow. Shall I wind up? Thank you very much.